Hey, my beautiful people. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I bring to you another amazing hair growth video that will blow your mind. If you're looking forward to growing your hair faster, if you have any hair issues, then you are at the right place. Today, we're going to use very simple ingredients that you can find at any grocery store. My first natural ingredient is thyme. Thyme is very amazing when it comes to hair growth. It has so many benefits that is going to help you grow your hair much faster. It has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties that is going to stop dandruff or any scalp issues. All you need is some thyme. You do not need any measurement for this recipe. Just put some thyme in a bowl and make sure to give it a good wash. It is very important to wash all your ingredients because these ingredients have been sitting in the stores, on the counters, and they are all dirty. They might have bacteria on, and it only makes sense to wash your ingredients before starting with any recipe. And hey yo, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms so that anyone who is looking out to growing their hair or solving any hair issues can also benefit from this recipe. And guess what? Sharing is caring, so make sure to share. Alright, so my next natural ingredient is rosemary herbs. If you're into DIYs using natural ingredients, then you have definitely come across rosemary. Rosemary can be easily found in all grocery stores. You can use the dry rosemary or the fresh ones like these. After washing your rosemary, just put it aside. Rosemary has some great benefits that is going to prevent hair loss and also stimulate new healthy hair growth. Our next natural ingredient is our famous cloves. Who doesn't love clove? If clove haven't worked for you, it means you're not using it the right way. And if you really want to know the right way to use clove, this recipe right here is one of the ways that you can use clove to benefit your hair. Did you know clove can even prevent premature graying of hair? If you have a lot of gray, you can use clove. Clove can also prevent dandruff and other scalp issues. Clove can stimulate new healthy hair growth. It can prevent hair loss. If you are balding, if you are shedding a lot, you can add this natural spice to your hair care routine. So what I did was I put all the three natural ingredients in a saucepan and I added some water to it. There was no measurement to this. These are all natural ingredients. So remember, too much or too less, it's not going to harm your hair in any way. It all depends on the quantity you're trying to make. So I put it on the stove and I boiled this for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you're going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. Look at how beautiful the water is already looking. And here you are. You haven't done so already. What are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, families, as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so you saw exactly what happened. After your recipe cools down, the next thing you need to do is to strain it. And this is what you're gonna have. Just looking at this recipe, you can see how potent and effective this is gonna be. If you're looking forward to growing your hair or solving any hair issues, you shouldn't even joke with this. This recipe right here is super effective. It works really well with all hair types. So after you have strained it like so, you're just going to transfer them into your mason jars, your spray bottles, and I'm going to show you very soon the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. It is one way to know how to prepare a particular DIY and another to know how to use it. If you know how to prepare it and you do not use it the right way, you are not going to benefit from it. So make sure you are following all the steps I'm going to show you in this video and do not skip any part of it. So there are two ways that you can use this amazing recipe. One way is transferring them into your mason jar like so. And what you're gonna do is, since I made enough, I put it in the refrigerator so it doesn't go bad. Do not leave it on the counter. Always make sure you leave it in the refrigerator. And after 5 days, you're gonna discard any leftovers. You have to make new batch if you still want to use this recipe. Okay, so after transferring it into a mason jar like so, there are a few things you can do. You can add some oil to this recipe. This is my DIY rosemary herb oil. Or you can add olive oil or any oil of your choice. You can also add your leave-in conditioner to this recipe. You just need to transfer some into a spray bottle and add a leave-in conditioner to it. When you have it in a mason jar, you're going to use this as a hair rinse. So after you wash your hair on your wash day, after you have applied your conditioner and rinse out your conditioner, you're going to pour this recipe all over your hair and massage it into your hair. Make sure you get it into your roots and every part of your hair. Pat dry your hair and apply your leave-in conditioner. Do not rinse it out. You can also use it in a spray bottle like so, and when you have it like so, mix it with your leave-in conditioner. Just apply it to your hair strands, your roots, massage it in. Then after that, you're going to go in with your hair moisturizer. Guys, please follow all the instructions. Always make sure to go in with a hair moisturizer. Then after that, you put your hair in a protective hairstyle to retain all the moisture. You repeat this every other day. And doing this is going to make your hair thrive. You're going to see a tremendous change in your hair. And you're also going to reduce hair shedding, hair loss. It is going to treat your scalp. It's going to boost your hair growth. Your hair is going to be really healthy like never before. All you need to do is to be consistent with it for faster results. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you have already given it a thumbs up. You have shared it with at least one person. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.